Litecoin is actively testing $100 yet again. Are we finally going to break up above it, or are we going to see Litecoin crash all the way back down? We got some really interesting signs in the market, so today I'm going to be going over some data and give you my opinion on where I think Litecoin's heading next. We're going to jump straight into it today on the TradeConfident.io website. Here we're going to scroll down where to go. Oh, there it is, to Litecoin right here. The first metric we're going to be taking a look at is the Litecoin Emotional Index, and you can see that we have pushed into excited territory. Now, most often we see excited readings like we did right here. There is a slight drop, but personally, I think we do have more room. I think it might not be until we reach greedy that we actually see moves back down in Litecoin. This tells me we could be at least a little bit bullish in the short term. Scrolling down now to check out Litecoin volatility breakout detector, we have been seeing some very high increased volatility recently. It's not quite all the way up in high volatility yet. It might not actually reach it. However, we are seeing increased volatility, and this tells me that there could be continued moves up or a sharp move down soon. Personally, I'm rooting for an upward movement. Heading on down to the Litecoin Whale Smart Money metric, we are seeing a lot of short trade sentiment in the market right now. However, it's not until we see a metric value of negative 800 or lower on these orange bars that we typically see those bigger moves down. So while there is short trade sentiment brewing, I don't think it's ready yet. Heading over to the Litecoin major support and resistance levels, we're seeing a lot of structural resistance in this area. The first one being $102.65, with the second one being $105.69. We still have yet to break that $102 level as of right now. However, I think if things continue bullish, we could break out to the upside. Next up is the Litecoin long versus short trades chart. We have seen a vaguely increasing, very slowly increasing long trades chart, with short trades recently dropping out. This increase in long trades and the decrease in short trades is likely what has contributed to the move up in Litecoin. And if this continues, if we continue getting more long trades and less short trades, I fully expect Litecoin to continue upwards. Heading on down, last but not least, is the Litecoin daily trade scanner. And as of right now, we do not have any sell signals, and this tells me we could still be bullish. I do want to point out that we have a lot of sell, strong sell, 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 sell signals right in this area that we currently are. However, I really need to point out, and this is something I talked to Travis about earlier today, in order for the bull market to take over, in order for bulls to go in and really pump up the price, sell signals have to be invalidated. All bearish signals have to be invalidated in order for the price to go up. That's just how it works, unfortunately. So that will cause some confusion moving forward. Now, I do expect us to move up at least a little bit, and despite the fact that sell signals do need to be invalidated, they have been respected as of recently. Anywhere we get a sell signal, we get a move down as well. So if we get a sell signal on the way up here, that could be the point that we peak and move back down. Now, that could be as we test $100, or it could be after we break out and reach a new high for 2023 on Litecoin. No matter what happens, though, you're going to want to gain access to these metrics. They are essential for anyone trading Litecoin. You can get access to the Litecoin metrics along with 19 other coins using our membership. Also included in the membership are trade setups. We are 15 wins and 0 losses with 1 open trade right now. We have many future forecast videos that have been coming out recently as a bonus. So if you want to get access to all this and more, you can sign up for our membership at the links in the description down below. Go ahead and scroll down, click show more, and the membership will be the very first link right here. Go ahead and click that. It'll bring you to our membership page where you can get the full access membership for $59 a month. Now, you need the $59 a month in order to get access to Litecoin specifically, because the full access includes all 20 coins worth of metrics. Now, the $29 a month basic membership gives you access to 10 coins worth of metrics. However, again, Litecoin is not included with that. So if you want to trade Litecoin, $59 a month, full access is where it's at. No matter what you want to get, though, just click subscribe now, follow the prompts, and we hope to trade with you soon. And with that, let's check out the live charts. Here we are looking at Litecoin on the 1-day time frame using the trend dashboard, TC top and bottom finder, price versus one money flow, and trend exhaustion indicators. On the 1-day time frame, every single traditional indicator is looking bullish. That's indicated with green arrows to the upside. The TC top and bottom finder, as I said on the daily trade scanner, does not yet have a sell signal, so that is bullish at least in the short term until we see another sell signal. Price versus one money flow, however, is high. Currently, it is taking up most often when it's high, and the trend exhaustion is high. This indicates overbought. However, as long as whales keep pumping money into the market, the price is likely to continue going up. These readings on these two indicators do tend to be very bearish, so oftentimes I would predict a move down in the market. However, things just really feel bullish in the market. I'm really just feeling that energy, and that comes across in Ethereum, Bitcoin, and all other major coins as well. And because of that, I do think whales could come in here, and I'm willing to bet a lot of people are short trading in this area right at $100 on Litecoin. It's a pretty, I mean, it's a logical decision. It would make sense. However, if whales decide to continue pumping money into the market, these short traders will get liquidated, and this would pump the price of Litecoin up like crazy, resulting in a short squeeze. And this is something I actually predicted for Ethereum earlier this morning. If you want further proof, we can go to the 4-hour time frame where the price versus well money flow is actually much lower on its chart. Trend exhaustion is still fairly high. However, there is more room to move up. And if whales do decide to reverse this and push money back into the market, that's just going to push the price further up too. Back on the 1-day time frame, I do at this point want to get into price predictions. The price is currently sitting in this range right about here. So the next structural resistance is going to be right here. And if we grab a line, right there is $106.95. However, I think it could push even higher. There's a lot stronger of a structural resistance right about here at $114.74. Now, if we scroll back in here, center it up a little bit just to make things look nice and pretty. From the current price, this would account for anywhere between a 5 and a 13% rise in Litecoin. Now, this could take a few days to play out. Generally, the market has been moving just a little bit between days, but has been generally trending upwards. So over the next couple of weeks, personally, I'm going to be looking at $106.95 and $114.74 as my next targets for Litecoin. Now, if you're a Litecoin trader, this is a crucial moment in Litecoin's history. We could be about to see a brand new high for 2023. And because of that, you're going to want to grab these indicators. And the best part is I can get them to you for up to $400 off right now. In order to get access, all you have to do, again, is check the description down below. Go ahead and scroll down, click show more, and the indicators will be the second link right here. Go ahead and click that. It'll bring you to our indicator page where we have over 4,000 downloads and counting. In order to get the best possible deal with that $400 off, you're going to want to grab the indicator bundle pack first, as this will include the trend exhaustion, price versus well money flow, and trend dashboard. You're already 3/4 of the way there just with this bundle pack. This will also include a $400 off coupon to be applied towards the TC top and bottom finder. And if you use that $400 off coupon, buying all 11 of Trade Confidence indicators will actually be cheaper than buying the TC top and bottom finder alone. No matter what you get, it's lifetime access for a one-time payment. With over 1,000 downloads on the TC top and bottom finder and over 3,000 downloads on the indicator bundle pack, you know these indicators will crush it. More proof is always good. This person made $756 on their first trade. This person made $4,300 in just a week. $1,000 using this indicator and made their money back and more, and it just keeps going on. So again, if you want to get access, links are down below in the description. Thanks so much for watching. Trade safe, trade confident, and I will see you in the next video.